Okay, here's a list of all the ingredients: minced garlic, soy sauce, cayenne pepper, paprika, sea salt, garlic salt, rosemary and thyme, and a nectarine. All part of the marinade that's going to go for the beef jerky. Okay, as you can tell, I've already started doing the mixing here. I just want to get that nectarine liquefied. I put some of the soy sauce in there with it, with some garlic. There's what it looks like. I'm going to add some more soy sauce to it, loosen it up a little bit. But that's about the consistency that I could get it. I'll add the ingredients now. Okay, here it is all mixed up. About something like that. Looks like it's good for a marinade anyway. I made it a little stronger than what I thought I should, just in case some of the spices get diluted with the process here. So I'm cutting the meat now. This is about the consistency I want. Not too thick, not too thin. I might try to get a few longer pieces. This particular cut of meat is the eye of round. I don't know what that means. I think it's a lot like bottom round or top round. I'm not really sure. We'll see how it turns out. You can almost see through it. It's not super thin. That's just a line of fat that's in it. I don't really like the fat being in there, but well, hopefully we can trim some of that off. Okay, here it is all cut up, marinated. I'm going to stick it in the ice box for a little while. Let it soak up some of this marinade. Sorry if the lighting's not that good, but you can see the little bits of garlic and little chunks of nectarine that I got in there. I put the nectarine in there because I wanted something sweet, but I didn't want it too sweet. I could have added honey, but I didn't know how that would turn out, so figured nectarine or an apple or something like that would be good. Maybe next time I'll try another fruit. If this one turns out real good, I'll try something like an orange or something maybe. But yeah, this is it. That's a pretty good looking piece right there. Look at that. Man. Oh yeah. And I don't know if this eye around is going to make good jerky either. This is all just a test. This is my first time making this stuff, so we'll see what it turns out to look like in the end. Alrighty. 2 or 3 hours, maybe 4 hours in the ice box. Then I think maybe 4 hours in the dehydrator / air fryer. Yeah, we'll see what it turns out to look like. Alrighty. There's my air fryer. That is going to go here, in there, and I'm going to hit the dehydrate button, which I believe is this one. Not really sure. I'll have to look it up. Maybe it's this one. We'll see. Anyway, I'm going to take these little skewers, put them in that hole like that and like this, and then the meat's going to hang over it, and then I'm going to put them in the air fryer. We'll see what happens. Okay, here it is. That's kind of what I want to do right there. There's a couple of pieces in there that I'm not too sure about, but we'll see what happens. This is all just experimental, really. But maybe it'll work out. Okay, got it set at 120 degrees. And it's going to go for about 2.5, 3 hours. And this button right here is the dehydration button, because that's a fruit and that's a vegetable. So dehydrating fruit, that's defrost. And I'm thinking that's cake, fish, egg, pizza, steak, chicken, and everybody's favorite French fries. Yeah, just man guessing on that one. But since it is a fruit, and I can't think of any reason you would put fruit in this thing except to dehydrate it, so there you have it. We'll see the results in about 2.5 hours. Okay, so it's been an hour, and I just wanted to take a peek at the jerky. And I don't know. It looks pretty good. I'm tempted to try a piece just to see what it tastes like. Okay, so I did not try a piece. It was too soft. I'm gonna let it get a little more dry. I don't know if an hour and a half is gonna be enough time. I might have to do an extra hour. We will see. There's the finished product. The jerky. And I just took a piece, and it tasted pretty good. Let's see if I could take this other piece off here. See what you think about what it looks like. This is my first time doing this, and it turned out all right. I thought it would be a little saltier, but I didn't put a whole lot of salt in there, I guess. But it tastes pretty good. The nectarine, I don't really taste the flavor of a nectarine, but there is a sweetness in there. All the other spices did pretty good. The cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic salt. I don't really taste any of those individual flavors in there, though. Just tastes like jerky. I don't know about this cut still, though. This maybe try a different cut next time. We'll see what happens.